Hello, we the live. Maybe. We the live. Hello, we the live. We are live. Let's go. As you know, we gotta check it every time. The lo-fi. Got this all set up. Anyways, might be a little different. We don't have the MC creator up on the stream. We actually have the what's it called? The CurseForge. So if you guys go to CurseForge, once this is still a new project, so it's not approved by the moderator yet, so you won't be able to see it. But the file is uploaded and might be released very soon. Like, once under review. Once it's reviewed, then you guys can actually go into your own games, play this pre-alpha version that we have been working on for the last couple 4 streams. You guys actually play it yourself. It'll be super cool. But right now, we can go right back into the modding process, get everything a little bit more refined. You can see that's 10 new blocks. We're in a crafting table. I mean, we've done quite a bit so far. So we did a new exchange system and scrap system, and just really cool. So we're gonna basically set this up, make it cooler, everything work a little better. We have done most kind of everything. We have the iron sickle thing, we got that all set up. There is one thing I did want to check out, and that was my bleed. That was the bleed effect there, because the thing I realized, I think it's still here. Where is it? Bleed. Where? I didn't delete bleed, did I? I could have. Maybe we did. Then what's attached to this? Nothing? Oh, there's still bleed. It says right there. Wonder where that got added to. Am I missing something? No, I have to be. Anyways, there should be. I want to see what that does to a player, because I've realized right now, was in the game that as like a towards mobs it didn't do anything, and I don't know if that's because it was a creeper thing. Even towards villagers, still nothing. So I wonder how it affects me. So we're gonna test out, put bleed on myself. We're gonna drink bleed, the potion effect, and see what happens. If we need to improve that, put some refinements for the bleed. So we are in game here. We're gonna give myself bleed, of course, to test that out. And then these do bleed damage, and we're gonna do healing as well. Healing pots. Here, instant health 2, just in case. You never know. Okay, slash game mode 1, survival. So first bleed. We have poison and wither. So yeah, that's a weird thing. Look, it literally does nothing. I don't know why that is. It's doing absolutely nothing to me whatsoever. But I have poison and wither. If I drink it again, yeah, still nothing. It's like, that's weird. It's no wonder that was working. So that's really, really strange. Let's go to bleed real quick. See, on potion active tick. Interesting. I think maybe it's because that's on active tick. It should be when potion started. It might be down here. I think that's why though. Let's check with the bleed real quick and see what happens. So we need to remove this. And when activated, we're gonna go to entity and we're gonna add potion level effects. Bleed doesn't do anything currently. So duration 10 seconds. Potion 1 custom. We won't do bleed, we're gonna do wither and poison. Okay. Let's check. I don't know, that bleed, and I might want to affect these sickles a little different. I don't know, that's kind of weird how bleed. It's probably because it was on active tick, which would it matter? be. Double check there. It's really weird though, let me just say. Because it was on the potion active tick, but okay, maybe it'll work a little better this time. That bleed will actually work. Let me check. Trash kill entities. Goodbye, zombies. Okay. Slash game mode survival. Or no, that's not what I want to do. Creative. I want to slash time set day. And then we'll give ourselves bleed. I don't know why it's not on here. I guess we'll keep that in potions. I don't want to have it. Slash game mode survival. Okay. Let's try this. Bleed for 3 minutes. I am confused. Maybe it doesn't do anything. Like, I have bleed effect, but the effect does nothing. Why would that be? Bleed when potion is applied. Then what it will do is add a potion level effect within potion. Right? So you'd think this is what it would do, like, under the same effect. But I don't think that's what's happening. Huh. I think... is the potion beneficial? It's like this. It created something with the bleed. Yeah. But bleed's its own thing. But bleed doesn't do anything because it's... I'm doing the procedure when you drink the potion. And I don't know why I'm not being affected by wither and poison, unless they're canceling each other out. Could be actually why. Is that a thing? Can wither cancel out bleed? Or can wither cancel out poison? If so, that's pretty cool. Drink a poison something before. Basically just wither though, right? I suppose so. I'm trying to make it tick double though, faster than regular. Because right now it's for wither it's just like periodically. Poison's the same way. So if you do twice, you could do a double tick. That's what I'm trying to do, but it's not really working here. Not really working too well. You want to die? Freak. And it's also for 3 minutes. I don't know what that's about, honestly. It's only being applied for 1 second. Weird. Let me try something real quick, because this should be attached to bleed still. The demithril sickle. These are attached to... The other ones are attached just to the straight potion effect, so like this one you can see. Just applied to this, but this, you see. See, this is what I want it to be, where they bleed out as well. But there's like a double tick. And then we have the other one, the ruby one, which is better. Yeah, so I don't know. I do not know what is with Void. Why that's not working. It is really strange. Let me just say. Also, I don't know what happened to this dude. But I think I just rolled with him. I was like, oh yeah, that's the normal skin. It's not the normal skin, let me just say. I'm just not great at making mobs. That'll be for some other person. Okay, anyways. Weird. This was fire. Let's do something here. Let's go to advanced most type, task, goal, challenge, no parent route, story route. We're gonna just know. Let's do this. We're gonna go over here and add advancements to the game. So advancement, first one. Find. I just call it I don't know. RPG Thrill Seeker. Let's just do Thrill Seeker. Thrill Seeker. Create it. Put the mithril block. Find mithril. And then we'll put this no parent route. Show token completed. Announce chat. Hide if completed. Nailed in. Just hide if not completed yet. And then we'll grant this when no one is placed. If it's consumed, if it's damaged. One sec. Hello? Back in 1 second. Hold on the stream. Okay, I'm back. Anything cool happen? No. Nothing happened for the last 2 years. Okay, fine. Anyways, if player has from 1 to 1 in inventory, that's what we want. Mithril. You have 1 mithril, you good, baby. So we'll call it Thrill Seeker. And that is gonna branch off. We'll put a, let's go to paint here. So what we're gonna do is just put a little thing, so Thrill Seeker is gonna go to, we'll go to another advancement after that. What's after something, so after you get mithril, what's the next thing you wanna do? I guess the next thing you really wanna do is craft a mithril forge, right? So add an advancement, forge in it. Create it, and then we'll do item, if player has one of these in his inventory. And this will be forge in it. Craft a forge. Just make this icon here. Or custom this to Thrill Seeker. Hide if not completed, show toast when completed, we'll do that. So we'll save that, so that's gonna go to there. We'll forge in it, and then the next thing we're gonna do is called, after forging it, we could call it, let me think, this will be the main kind of branch. So after you do forging it, right, then, let me think, what do you do after getting a forge? What's the next thing? I guess get mithril. We'll call this one Smither. Make mithril with the forge. And then we'll do task, and we'll do this on forging it. And then we'll do when the player has one of these in his inventory, like so. We'll save that. And now he's mithril ingots. Now we think, how do you make refine it? Mithril tool. What a tool. Craft a mithril tool. And then we'll make this nothing, and this branch from, this will branch to Smither, Fortunate, Smither, I guess. And then we'll do this if the player has a mithril tool in his inventory. Then this was fire. We have to make that to the Underforge, right? Let me think. Underforge, we'll do that after forging it. So I'll put forge from the under, from, let me think. Forge from the depths. And this will be the Underforge. Craft an Underforge. Power up your smithing ability. And then we'll put this through Smither or Fortunate? I guess Fortunate. And then we'll just say if the player has the, not Ruby Sword. If the player has one of C's, and then we go to tool, we'll branch off, we'll say, let's see, do an advancement, refined. Use the forge to combine the tool, mithril, and more emeralds to refine. Okay, we'll custom this from what a tool, and then we'll put this on if the item is made for There. Save this. That way there's a way to get refined. I'm thinking, what should we branch out from the Underforge? The ruby ore. We'll craft here. Better than diamond. We'll just say craft any mithril tool. So for that we can, I guess we'd put out for smither, or would put that other, yeah, after smither. And then this will trigger it. Is there any way to like add this, duplicate it? Probably not. There's a way to have multiple of these. Craft a mithril sword. Better than diamond. And then must be 2. Better than diamond 2. Craft a refined mithril sword. There you go. Refined mithril. And then do root will be here. Be refined. Or we'll put this better than diamond, I guess. And then we'll put if the player has a refined mithril sword. And then we're gonna put another rupees. Find and mine a ruby ore and obtain rubies. We'll put this one under Forge for the Depths, or we'll put this one under Refined. I guess we'll put this one under Refined. And we'll do this if you have Ruby. Save it. And the last advancement I can think is like the next step. Use rubies and refined mithril to make. Use rubies and refined mithril. Use rubies, mithril, and refined diamonds to obtain the next ore. We'll put this in. Where is it? We'll put this in as a here. And this will be after Underforge. Forge for the Depths. We'll see if the player has this. Save it. Better than diamond 3. Craft a demithril ruby sword. This will be better than diamond 2. We'll trigger this if the player has this, save that. Advancement. Scrapper. Craft. Okay, scrap it. And stop capping. Why did I say that? I don't know. That's stupid, but it's weird. Okay, and then we'll just put the armor shredder. No, we'll put the tool shredder in this one. Put the tool shredder here. And then will that be under the underforge, or should be? No, I guess that would be under forge in it. Yeah, it's just if he has a tool shredder. Advancements. Armor shredder. Armor scalper. Scalp. Get scalping on eBay. And then we'll put the armor shredder. And we'll do this from forging as well. Should we do this as scrapper? If player has armor shredder. Save it. So let's see what happens now. Hopefully I don't get like 1,000 days, but I should have a full branch of cool. I didn't even use this paint thing at all. I did that. I don't know what that is, but I didn't use that paint thing. But it's oh well. I don't do it. Oh well, there we go. Hey, let's go. Load me up. Load me up, sir. Oh. Okay, let's check out our advancements. Hopefully they're cool. They look weird. You might get a little bit of advancements just because I've already done some things. Maybe I'm not. Let's see. No. Okay, advancements. We should have a new one. This was fire. Did I not? Let me think. What was the first one? Obtain mithril? Which is an invisible achievement. Yeah, okay. So that gives me Thrill Seeker. Which gives me this one here. So this was fire though. It's supposed to be with the Underforge, I guess, right? So yeah. Put this as the Underforge. Forge from the depths. Okay. So just to verify here, this one, find mithril. And then the next one is crafting a forge. And then make mithril with the forge, right? Mithril, emerald. Okay, yeah. And then make mithril with the forge. And then get smither. And then you can also craft an underforge. At that point, that's what's recommended. So craft a underforge. And that gives you the option to make demithril. Which, let's see. Use rubies, refined mithril. So, oh, there's one more thing I'll do. Which we're going to add advancement. Combined diamonds. Craft a refined diamond. For demithril. Ruby. And then we'll put this as the forge from the depths. And that's when you have a refined diamond. Okay. And then, oh, I just realized you guys probably didn't see that because I was on my other screen. So, in the advancements, you get the next step, which is getting, this is getting pretty big, by the way. The next step would be getting this. I don't know how I get the next step, okay? How I spaced out when some of these aren't working at all. Okay, so this one, scrapper. Get the scrapping. Get scrapping, stop capping. Get scalping on eBay. Armor scalper. Armor scalper. Okay. And then craft a mithril tool, which is easy, super easy to get. Mithril tool. And then use a forest mine to get refined mithril. Refined. Then you get rubies just from mining ore. And then the swords, better than diamond 1, 2, and 3. So we got the swords. And then yeah, there you go. And then you got better than diamonds 3. And that's our little cappers, scalpers thingies. So I'm back, guys. Did you miss me? Sorry. Okay, this stream, I'm just leaving. I'm just leaving everyone. I'm like, okay, bye, for like huge portions of the stream. Sorry. I'm back. I'm back. Okay. So after all these advancements here we created, we got that all covered. We could do like armor ones, like craft something, but I don't feel like that, so we're good. Quit it, and we'll just create some more crap. So we had a really cool tool shredder idea, and the ruby ore idea, and kind of some RPG elements there. Let's go to add, and we're gonna create something. What is a custom element? Sorry guys, I'm back. I don't know what this is, but let's just create something weird. I'm just gonna call it 2001. Oh, that's not gonna work. What about Mecha? What is a custom element? Oh, okay. If you want to code something, and you know what though, I'm not a coder. I'm just saying. So sadly, I don't know how to code. I'm not gonna get that. Okay, so command. Hey, what should we add a command? Probably not. I could. Oh, actually, I had an idea, guys. I did actually want to make something. Ranged item. I wanted to make mithril bows, because why not? Mithril bow. Why did I want to create a mithril bow? Because mithril bows are freaking sick. Okay, where is a bow? Select texture. Has to be a bow, right? Yeah. Let's see here. There's a cross. An arrow. Bowl. Brick. You want a brick? We got a brick. It's really just a brick. Yeah, it's just a brick. Okay, what about bow though? Shears. Tool base. Tool base shovel. Stick monochrome. Tool sword? Okay. They not got no bow. Why would that be? A bowl of soup. An arrow stick. Crosses. Hill. A-bell sides. I guess we'll do this ourselves. Okay, we're gonna put. I don't know how well this is gonna look, but this is dark green substance, and we will Put it like this. Bam, bam. Come down a little bit. Good. Bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Now we can probably put like some black outline on these, right? E. E. Okay, and then we'll just do, should we just double up? Like so. There, come this way. Yeah, let's do that. And then we'll come back with a now I actually want this to be like a steel bowstring. So we'll put this. I don't know if I should put on the whole thing. That looks kind of bad. So let's do this. We'll put bam, bam, and then we'll put black over the entire texture. And silver, how about we pull back? Does that look like a bow or no? Not at all. A bowstring. I don't know how to do like a bowstring. Okay, I guess you could try that, and then we'll put like a mithril tipped arrow or whatever. And just kind of do this a little bit. There we go. I don't know if that looks good or bad, but it's my texture and I love it. Save as new texture item. Mithril bow. Inward over here. My mithril bow, where are you? Where are you at? Has to be here, right? I'm just not looking. Okay, it's right there. When used, nothing. Normal, combat, special information, nothing. Max stack size, let's do 1. Damage versus leave empty to disable ammo requirement, so you can just shoot all the time. You do need ammo for this, or why did I just search arrows? And damage versus mob animal. Damage versus mob animal. Well, mob slash animal. Let's see. Ranged items. I don't care. Okay, normal, special information, just nothing. Damage, we'll put this at like 4, I don't know. I guess that's the damage, right? So it's mithril. Bow is usually like, let's do 8 would be 4 hearts. 10 would be 5 hearts. Yeah, let's do 10, let's do 8. Okay, shoot constantly active, no. Unused counts, set to 0, stack size less than 1. So, oh, set this height to 0, disable use count percentage. Okay, so choose crossbow. Bow is 384, so we'll put this at 500. And then I'll be just arrow entity, shoot arrow, bullet power. What is this then? Damage versus check to enable melee damage. Oh, that's melee damage, which I don't care about melee damage. If you want to do like another thing. Okay, bullet power. Controls the speed of the bullet. One is like a bow. That's for this one. Bullet damage. Higher the number, stronger the bullet deals. So 5 has to be normal, so we'll put this at 8, which is what I was really going to do, but no way. Bullet knockback. We'll just put this at 3. Has bullet projectile. Has bullet nick fire. Item representing texture of a bullet. Okay, arrow. And then model texture. We don't have to do model texture. Bullet model. I don't have to care. Just keep that the same. So that is a mithril bow. Let's test out. What if we created like something called the arsenal? I don't know. It would be. I don't know what the arsenal would do. Just thinking of like a new mechanic we could do. You got ruby, you got mithril, you got remithril, you got demithril, you got this new one we're adding now with bows of every variant. So we could have like an arsenal. I don't know what it would do. I guess you could store items, right? You could store items in mithrils. Have like a chest. A lot more slots than normal. Possibly if you wanted to. To think about with these, right? You place items in, and I think this, by the way, I figured out was locked to mithril for some reason. But with these, right, you can actually store them, walk away, and they're still there. And you can store. I feel like you can store more stacks, so that'd be cool. Let's take all this way though. Mithril bow should be here. Yep, there it is. Now, do I actually pull the whole thing back? Jeez, that looks so weird. It looks okay though. Oh, we're actually shooting arrows like that. By arrow, we're actually shooting the arrows. Okay, that texture is kind of weird. Oh, you can spam it too. Yeah. Just game mode, survival. Oh, you can't spam it in survival. Oh, it's because I don't have any arrows. So hold on, let me go back to our mithril bow. Okay, there should be like a. I feel like there should be like a. Like a. You shouldn't be able to use it at a certain point, you know what I mean? I know I've done that before though, where you can only use it at a certain time frame. So I know that's something you can do. Let me try something real quick. Okay, well, let me go over here. This is just to confirm something, because I actually don't remember what I did. But let me go over here to my wizard mod. This is my first mod I created, if you guys remember. I just saying I should remember what I'm doing. Build successful. Build successful. Okay. Anyways, let's set this up here. I don't know. Okay, I'm just going over my other mod, the wizard one, just to see if what I did, because I need to know like a cooldown. Let me see. Okay, here we go. So this is it's actually less than what I thought it would be. But if we go over to our, I can't remember what it was called. The ice air stuff. When item is used, is this? Here it is. Cooldown. Provided answers for 350 to event target entity. Okay. So that's what I did. So as you can see, yeah, I just went over to my other mod, see kind of what I was just doing, because I knew what I was doing then, but now I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing now. not a clue. No clue what I'm doing. Okay, so let's go back to. Don't worry about the drug mod. That's nothing. Okay, let's go back to our our bow here, and we're gonna go when items used, and this is when we're gonna go to the item procedures, and there's gonna be the cooldown of 350 was quite a bit, so let's go 50, and that's 50 ticks. 20 ticks is a second, so that's 2 seconds, and then this would be 3 seconds. So we're gonna do just 20 seconds and like a little millisecond there. We'll save that so that way you can only use a little bit. The texture, I do want to switch over. Let's do that real quick. Resources. Where's my bow texture? Edit. I need to flip this because this is the wrong way for some reason. I don't know. So let's take this and just copy it. You know what I mean? We'll copy this. So we'll just copy this just a teeny bit. And this will stay the same. And then we want this to come out the same way it has been. I think I basically just copied the sides, huh? And then we'll come... Oh, let me think. I totally forgot. Let's come down. Let me think. Okay, so this one is this. And then we'll come down the same length. I don't... Okay, I might have to just restart this whole thing. I'm scrapping it. Scrapping the whole thing, guys. And if you guys are new here, because I am seeing we're getting two viewers right now, which I'm happy because I get no viewers, which is great. Anyways, if you guys are new here, but you can put in the chat anything you guys like to see, and I actually implement it in a mod, so it's kind of cool. I don't know if you guys were interested. So let's put this here. Come on. Okay, there we go. So that looks a little better. Maybe. I'm so bad at texture design. Let me just say I'm so bad at texture design. Okay, man, I need a texture designer or something. Okay, we're gonna put this harsh green. That's what I'm gonna call it. And we'll put. Oh crap! Go back. We'll make a bow design. So go back. Stop. Okay. Oh my gosh, I am such a bad designer here. Okay, we'll put these two just like so, and then we can put. Ooh, let me think. You know what we could do? We could put... Okay, let's come this way. A little bit. Maybe I don't want to do that. Okay, we'll come up here. One more. And then we can double up on this like we did for the last texture. Yes. Okay, yes. And then we'll come this way. Okay, that's looking a little better. Yes it is. Okay. And then we'll put this, and then for the bowstring, I want it to be like a silvery bowstring. So we'll put this coming down that way. And then I'm just gonna extend into the middle just a teeny bit. Just like that. Okay, that's actually looking shaping up. That's shaping up quite a bit. So then if we can put this here and then just do this through the middle. Just like so. And then I don't know if we should do, I guess we could do an outline here, or that might work weird. No, that looks weird. Okay, let's just keep that like there. And then what I'm gonna do is take this, light this up a little bit. Okay, and then we're gonna black it out and texture it with an opacity of 2. So we'll texture this a little bit differently. Just like so. Okay, there we go. And we'll just texture this just a teeny bit. Yes, there we go. Texture it. There we go. Just texture it like this. Bam. Easy grading. Grading. Easy that way. We'll erase just this little bit of those snags. And then we can save this as the texture. And that should be the new texture now, maybe. If you want to switch, then please go ahead. It's not going to go ahead, huh? No, it should. It's just a weird glitch. I don't know. So you can see it's like looking like the new texture. But when I actually go in game to play this, which I'll do right now, you can watch. Look at this. If I actually go in game to play it, then it actually shows up as the actual texture. I don't know what that's about with the code thing. Maybe I have no clue, but yeah, we'll make sure it gets all changed over. Come on, because this is what the mithril bow looks like since I saved the texture as like a different one. I don't know why it is, but it updates in game, but it doesn't update in that mod loader. It's weird, guys. I don't know. Don't question it. It's the process. It's a process. Okay. Come over here. There we go. So, yeah, you can see, like, it's updated. And now it's, like, going upwards. Okay, I don't know. It looks okay. I tried. But it is updated in-game. So, slash mode, game code creative, and then I can show you when you do it, you fire literally arrows. Like, not an arrow texture, just arrows, like actual arrows. I don't know what that's about either. But we have a working bow. And if we give ourselves some arrows, it should have... What is that? What was that? What was that? What is this? Parrot spawn. Oh, okay. And... Crap, get over here. If we summon in that custom mod that we made earlier, this dude... Let's skip a little bit. Come over to our little crafting tables, and we can slash game mode survival this. You can see you should have a cooldown. Where'd the cooldown go, my guy? My guy has no cooldown. You can fire like a machine gun if you want to. I thought I had a cooldown. Let me go back to that. Stupid. This is gonna cause me some problems, huh? Oh, for some reason. Why? I'm sure we saved it. Mithril bow, ranged use. What? Yeah, it's right here. I guess it wasn't saved. Somehow it got ticked off. Who knows? Who knows? Okay, so that's a mithril bow done. Great. We got the mithril bow all sorted out. And I want to make another... I want to make something like an arsenal, right? Where you can craft... I'm trying to think of a new text. Like a new... I don't even know what to call it. Something new. Something voila. Something... Like something called an arsenal where you can actually place things in it. I'm trying to think. You can only place armor in it. Let me think. Oh, let's see here. I think I'm getting some type of idea. I just don't know what it is. Let's just try something right quick. Refined chest. Yes, that's the refined chest. And what I'm going to do is a GUI with slots. And we're going to save this by 1,500. That's not going to work. It's way too big. 750 by 750. That's too much. Hold on. 50. That's too much too. Okay, 500. 450. That works. Okay, now we can put something crazy. Input slots. So let's try something. I wonder if this is gonna break the game or what. It might. Okay, I'm gonna put that like exactly correct. Or else it's gonna look weird. Oh, that looks weird. That looks a little weird, but you know. Come on. Come on. Go down. It's a little weird. It's a little weird, I'm not gonna lie. It's a little weird, but you know. What can you do at this point? I guess that's the real question. That is the real question. Okay, so 6 slots. How much does a chest have again? Honestly, I would tell you, but I don't remember. Also, it's gonna look so horrible. Or okay. Who knows? Ooh. Actually, let me try something real quick. Don't ask me what I'm doing, but I'm doing something. I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but it might. This is gonna be weird, guys. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm just messing around. But it could be cool. Let me try this. Save. I don't know what we did. Let's make a block and we're just gonna call this 25 x chest, or chest x 25. And we'll create this texture. And what if we did like, this is gonna be a little weird. Little weird school though, right? 3 there. 1, 2, 3 there. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we can put it here. That's 3 there. That's 3 there. 3 there. 1, 2, and 3. So we can just do this 3 from all sides. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So we'll just. I don't know what this is, but it's something. Block. Chest x 25. We'll just do a single texture. That will just be this weird chest x25 thing. And then next. It's a chest, but 25. I don't know what the best is. Okay. It'll be made out of wood and sound like wood. Wood. Okay, chest 25. Next, who cares? Take rate. There's gonna be none. Okay. We're gonna go refine chest, and that's automatically filled. Enable tidally entity. Max site size. Keep in place smaller between the parameter. Keep in mind that the smaller number between this parameter and max site size. Huh? The parameter controls maximal size. But the smaller numbers between this parameter and max stack size. Cool. Okay, I want to see something because that might be beneficial. Pretty beneficial, let me just say. So let me create an item. Chest stacker. Core. Let me see something. Also, you might ask, what the heck are you doing? I don't know. Once again, I'm just making something stupid. Okay. Recipe. We're going to make this the chest X25 recipe. So you'll get this block, weird block of the chest X25. And to craft it, and each one of these is going to be 9. So 9 chests. Then 18 chests. 18. 20. 18. 20. 21. 22. 23. Okay, I'll just do 25. Or I guess that's, yeah. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 will be this middle one. So there we go. We got that. Save it. And recipe for chest core. And we'll make this. We'll go to chest. And I guess we go from here, you know, X60, we could go X25, to go up from there, I guess, right? Save it. Play it. Okay. That was cool. We shall see. This might be going cool idea. Cool idea. You know what would be cool mod? Chests. I guess they do have iron chests. Which is cool. I know they have the, what's it called? The deep units. We could do something like a deep storage unit, but make it cooler. Make it elite. We shall see. We shall see, we shall see. But for the chest, you need 25 then to make this. Game mode, creative. So if you come over here, you get chess 64. You combine these together, just like so. You'll get this thing called the chest stack core. And then you combine another 9 chests, get another chest stack core. Combine 2 of these, so it'll go like this. Then we get what we call chest X25, each chest but 25. Huh. For some reason that's not opening. Okay, let's go back to our chest. Where's our chest? It's just something stupid like enable. Yeah, we just have to literally enable that. So there's two things, right? We can make this where you just put infinite items, like I don't know what goes here. But then you can't take anything out unless it's with the hopper. And if you destroy it, we could make it like a backpack type deal. So what if we put like an upgrade? Okay, that could be cool. What if we do this chest system where you can put an upgrade there's 50 x 75 x 100. They each can different amount of us, and they also store. You can put different upgrades to branch. There's a main one where you have one item, and then you can branch them where they have. You can store 2 different items. You can store 4 different items, 6 different items, 8 different items, 10 different items, and then you add the backpack upgrade to that. In that way, ooh, that could be cool. That could be cool. That could be cool. Okay, I'm getting excited now. That's if you couldn't tell already, I just thought of something super great. So put just this crafting recipe. Get a chest X25. Okay, this is what it looks like, right? So we can actually store things in there. And I don't know. So yeah, that chest is stuck there. So I'm unable, and I don't know. Okay, it's because it's so big. So I would have to make it smaller. But I can take like iron ore, let's say, right? And store it almost infinitely in here. And there's no guarantee you're gonna get this back. Like you have to put a yeah, you have to put yeah, so you can put infinite things in this, or 25 stacks of items. Like right now we're out. You can see the only way to get it out is a hopper. So hopper, chests. I guess if you do want to do another chest 64. Chest though. What is that? I don't remember ever doing save tool browser anyways. You know, these aren't affected by hoppers. So I've had a great idea. We're gonna remove all this stupid crap I just did. I don't know what I did, but it came out of a good idea. So keep that in mind. We're going over to this this refined chest, right? Now we're gonna delete all of these. Sure, I want to delete. Yeah, I want to delete all of them. Can I delete all of them? Yeah, I can. Okay, so let me try something here. We're gonna go just to 200 by 200. Oh, that's actually not gonna work. 400 by 400. Okay, so we'll just have a single one. That's gonna be our starting point. A single thing. Save it. And chest times 25. We're gonna open this up. Change this again because that's gonna be wrong. 0 is just the only input slot. Size inventory would be 0 plus 1. Exact size. This is where it gets weird. We're gonna do 100. And if it doesn't let me do more than 100, I'm gonna be a little frustrated. Oh, okay. What's the max? 100. Okay, can I do 101? $500. I'm going to 500, 600, 1,000, 10,000, 10,000, 9,999, 1,001, 1,004. What's the max? 1,024. Let me try 60. Let me try 70. I can see this go somewhere. Drop items on, and then we could put. Yeah. Okay. Let's save that. If all goes well, we might be able to have 70 in one chest, right? Usually you can store. Now the max we did was 1,025, which is 64. Let me try something real quick. Calculator. What is 64 times 5? That's and this is if you put in your house, right? Have a chest. This is what you would want to use. Because now you can infinitely take out cobble. And I guess it would be the same thing as like a deep storage unit in that other mod, but deep storage units are crazy expensive. And this one is more just low tech. You can't do stuff with it. But you need to play stuff in. I can make something cool with it. So let's see here. This should not break the game. Okay. Can I put freak? Yeah, I thought that wasn't gonna work. Yeah, so this ain't gonna work. Sadly, my idea has gone to shambles. Sadly, it's not gonna work. But hopefully, you guys enjoyed this stream. We did do quite, I don't know if we did a lot today or whatever we did. I think I was gone for half it. I'll try to be here for the next stream. Sleep stream. But we have made a working mithril bow, which is cool. There's a cooldown. As you can see now, there's a cooldown, guys. We also have got to terms with creating advancement systems. So, when did I make that? But we also have a advancement systems that we didn't make today, which is gonna help the player out, know what the heck they're doing. Next thing, I do want to make more ores, more mods, and get this all scalped up. We got the armor scalper, which is pretty cool. I don't think it works for tool. Yeah, it doesn't. It does work for here, so that's pretty cool. And we can get this ball rolling. We got a cool concept here. And remember, guys, if you do know at the start of the video, I did say that it's up on Forge. So if you guys want to go to Forge, if it is approved by the moderator at that point, which it will be because there's nothing vulgar or anything on this mod, then you guys can actually go and play it yourself. So if you guys want to go do that, play it yourself, then that's something you can definitely do. And try it out for yourself for the mod and develop it with me as I'm playing. And if you guys want to say, oh, I have a great idea for a chest or something like that, we can set that up, and it will be super cool. Like right now we have this cool weird chest idea. I don't know why I chose it, but it's cool. It's cool. And if you guys have any ideas, you can always put them in the comments. I read everything. I mean, there's really no one in the comments, so it's up to you guys. But you guys have a great one, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in the next stream, or if you guys check out my videos, next video. Bye, guys. Bye.